So just to recap what I just said, if you ever need to, you can just click watch help video or even show example, which is up here, this button. Both of those will be able to help you as well in case we don't have time for examples. Anyways, we have 1 more minute, so if class ends and you need to go, just feel free to go, it's okay. But I'm going to do the example, just one of them. In the diagram below of TUV, W is a midpoint of TU and X is the midpoint of UV. If measure of angle X, WU is 77 minus 4x, that's this one, and measure of angle VTW is x plus 67. What is the measure of angle, we'll do this in a different color, XWU. Okay, so they want to know this angle. All right, so I guess this is different from the ones in our skills practice, so it's a good thing that we got to do this example. Both of these angles that are marked are the same. So they are congruent because they're on the same side. Okay, so this red one or this blue one is congruent to this blue one, and this angle would be congruent to that angle. So the angles on the same side are congruent because these two are parallel, because your mid segment is parallel to your third side. So let's solve for that. So we're going to set them equal to each other. 77 minus 4x is equal to x plus 67. That's not how you write 67. So we set them equal to each other, and then we're going to solve for x. So I'm going to add 4x on both sides, bring the x's to the same side. We get 77 is equal to 5x plus 67. Now I'm going to get the 67 on the other side because I want x by itself. So then I get 10 is equal to 5x. Then we're going to divide by 5. I get 2 is equal to x. So if our x is equal to 2 and they want us to solve for the red angle, remember the red angle is this one, then I'm going to plug it into the formula. So 77 minus 4x, where our x is 2. So I did 77 minus 4x. And we're going to solve for that. 77 minus 8. And then if you calculate that, that gives you the wonderful answer of 69 degrees. Great. Okay. Did I do that right? Yeah, I did. Okay. So our answer should be 69 degrees. And then I'm going to type that into Deltamath. Just so you guys know, class is technically over. So if you need to go, you can feel free to go. And that was our one example. And that concludes this recording.